Raise your hand if you want to learn how to get shiny hair. Everyone, yay, us too. Unfortunately, everyday exposure to pollution, hairstyling products and heat tools can decrease your hair's health and shine. But what if I told you that there are ways to get a glossy mane? Hi guys, I am Ankita and today I am going to show you 5 ways to add shine to your hair. But before we begin, if you are new to our Be Beautiful channel, then hit subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. The thing to do to add shine in your hair is to choose the right hair care products. Now we all know that chemical treatments, heat styling and wrong hair care products can dim the shine from our tresses. But the biggest roadblock in your quest to add shine in your hair is using products that remove moisture from your hair. Hair that lacks moisture looks dull and can never shine. Which is why invest in moisturizing hair care products that are specifically formulated to add shine. Take for instance Dove Daily Shine Shampoo and Conditioner for dull hair. After using it for a couple of times, I can say that it's an extremely gentle formula that protects from daily wear and tear, retains moisture and the nutritive serum adds shine. I'm sure you have heard about the endless benefits of hair serum, but in terms of adding shine to your hair, nothing works like a hair serum. Reason being, hair serum is a silicone-based styling product that is designed to coat the surface of your hair that adds shine, smoothness, hydration and protects from external aggressors. The hair serum that I have been using to add shine in my hair is the one right here. This is the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. Just apply a small amount of it on damp hair. You will notice that as soon as you apply this hair serum on your hair, it will start reflecting light, which increases the appearance of shine. Reason for that is, it has camellia oil, which is an excellent emollient that keeps your hair moist and supple, which in turn adds shine. Apart from that, it also has keratin, which delivers an extra layer of moisture into your hair strands that will prevent split ends, hair breakage, fills the gap in your cuticles, making your hair appear healthy and shiny. The third thing you can do to add shine in your hair is using the right hairbrush. Did you know there are hairbrushes for different hair types? By the way, we do have a video on hairbrushes for different hair types. I have linked that video down in the description box. Go check it out. Okay, so coming back. Using the right hairbrush can make a world of difference. For instance, in order to add shine, opt for a boar bristle hairbrush. Reason being, when you brush your hair with a boar bristle brush, it helps to evenly distribute the natural oils of your scalp, which in turn helps add shine all throughout your hair. Now we all can agree that everything looks better after a good night's rest, including your hair. In order to add shine, you need to protect your hair while sleeping. For instance, if you sleep with your hair open, it will create friction between your pillow and your hair. This in turn makes your hair dull. So the best thing to do is either loosely braid your hair or pull it up in a bun, and most importantly, switch to a satin pillowcase. Reason being, cotton fabrics are extremely absorbent and will pull moisture from your hair, making it dry and lacklustrous. And lastly, avoid frequent heat styling. To be honest, from blow drying to straightening to curling, my hair endures a lot of heat styling on regular basis because I make videos for you guys and I have to do heat styling. But after having done tons of heat styling on my hair, let me tell you that over time it will make your hair extremely dry and dull. Now while we can't get rid of our hot styling tools, what we can do is use a heat protectant. This one is something that I absolutely love. It's the TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Spray. This will create a protective barrier between the heat and your hair, thereby preventing dryness, which in turn will maintain shine in your hair. So these were the 5 ways to add shine to your hair. Before you leave, like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!